Hello and welcome to CKE 10001's gaming channel. In this video we'll be unboxing Persona 4 version E trial deck for Weiss Schwarz. So here's the front of the box. We got the side of the box, the bottom, and the back. Contents and telling you that there's one pre-constructed deck and other information. And now I'll open it up. We'll try to cut this carefully so not to damage the box. Got one side. Gotta get the other side as well. Whoa, that's almost get the top of the box off. Difficult to get this tape off. Got it. Alright, got it. Put this aside for now. And there's more tape, of course, on the inside. I gotta rip off. Look at this first. So you get the Weiss Schwarz playmat, whatnot, levels and deck area. Get the quick start guide with the Persona characters. Try to open this up a little bit. Can I see the characters because they're at the top here? There. Got the instruction booklet, the playbook. And now we'll look at the cards. And these cards are shrink wrapped, so more cutting involved. Why damage these cards? Try to cut the corner off. Didn't work out too well. Here, I got an idea. There's a area at the bottom that looks like it could be cut. I think I got it. Got a little bit off. Oh, it's difficult. Okay. Okay, got it off. Right, let's go. So we got the front card, Contract Key Protagonist. Contract Key Protagonist, non-hollow version. Investigation Team Yosuke, 3 copies. Yosuke Hanamura, 3 copies. Nanako Helping Out, 3 copies. Beauty Pageant Miss Protagonist. Protagonist's partner Yosuke. Investigation Team U, Yosuke and Jiraiya, Yosuke and Susanoo, Sister Complex Kingpin of Steel Yu Murukami, Climax card, and a hollow triple rare Climax card, I believe. That's nice. Kanji Tatsumi, 3 copies. Real Strength Kanji and Take Mikazuchi, Kanji and Rukujin Mao, Yukiko and Mataratsu, Musha Training, 3 copies. Another triple rare, Mighty Swing, Climax card. And Salvation Climax card. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.